Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming prerequisites. You need Python installed and access to pip. First, run Python version or Python 3 version to verify the interpreter. Once done, list installed packages with pip list or pip3 list and scan for CV2. Then open the Python REPL and type import CV2 to attempt import. You do this because an import reveals whether the module is usable, not just present. If it fails, it gives an immediate error to act on next. Once import succeeds, check CV2 version to confirm the installed Opencv release and whether it matches your needs. If you use conda, run conda list opencv or conda list grep opencv to see the package record and build channel. Make sure to run pip show opencv python to inspect installation path and metadata. This helps you know whether you have opencv python, opencv contrib, or a system package. These checks explain the how and why behind different distributions and compatibility. To finish, run small functional tests. Load an image with CV2. Imread, convert color with CV2. CVT color and open a camera with CV2. Video capture to confirm runtime behavior. If something is missing, install with pip install opencv python or, for conda users, conda install c conda forge opencv and then retest. If import errors persist, make sure you are using the same Python environment. Check Python path, virtualenv, and remove conflicting packages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.